Initial review on this hair. This hair is from Ali Queen on AliExpress, and yeah, the hair texture is raw Brazilian virgin hair. It actually is listed on the AliExpress store as Brazilian raw virgin hair in the body wave texture. I've been having some issues with the hair from the start, so I'll explain all of that, but first I want to talk about the ordering process and the price I paid for the hair. So this hair, they claim that it's virgin hair and it's a raw texture. Now, I'm not familiar with the raw texture. The conclusion that I found was that it was supposed to be one of the highest quality virgin hairs because the hair was supposed to be unprocessed 100%. Just basically all from one donor, natural, unprocessed, no chemical treatments, no nothing. There were a few things that were positive and is good about the hair, and I'm going to talk about that. I ordered this hair during the coronavirus, so I wasn't sure what the shipping process was going to be like, whether or not I was going to get my hair on time, whether or not it would be delivered to me. And I contacted Ali Queen, and the exact price was $376.75, and I had a $25 coupon, so the total came up to $350. Hopefully you guys can see that. So let's get back on track. So I purchased the hair. I contacted them because I had some concerns, and I have to have a P.O. box address for my personal address. So I saw that it was going to be delivered by FedEx, and I wasn't sure if FedEx would deliver it to my P.O. box, whether or not I'd have to go pick it up somewhere at one of their locations, and whether or not that location would even be open for me to go there and pick it up. So I had a lot of concerns and questions. I contacted them. The customer service team got back to me pretty soon after that, and she assured me that no matter what, I'll still get my package, whether or not I have to go pick it up from the FedEx. That would be an option for me if I couldn't get it delivered to me directly. It was shipped out with FedEx, amazingly, so they delivered it to my P.O. box. Excellent. Now, that was probably the only good thing about this hair and the experience for me this time around. So I want to talk about some of the negatives. So I received the hair and I did an unboxing. I filmed an unboxing, and I made the hair into a wig after I filmed the unboxing. And I co-washed the hair right away before I even made it into a wig. I bleached the knots on the frontal. It didn't lift as nicely as I wanted to the first time around, so I did it again. So I did a second application of the bleach, which was fine. The second time I was fairly happy with the process, so I went ahead to make the wig. Now, the bundles and the frontal length, I'll go over that with you guys now. So the frontal is a 13x4, so it goes ear to ear, and it is 18 inches. So that's the shortest bundle length, and then I have 20 inches, and then I have a 22 inch and a 24 inch. So I will show you guys like a full view of it in a bit. This video is more of a buyer beware kind of video. I bleached the knots, I co-washed the hair. The hair felt dry in the initial stages. Right when I got it out of the box, it felt a little bit different. There were certain things that I noticed that was very different with the packaging. It came in a FedEx package, and it didn't have the traditional labeling like it usually has around the wefts. It didn't have that. It didn't come with any card or any free gift. It only came with the red elastic band wrapped around it, and that was it in the plastic. So I felt that was kind of strange. It made me like question, like, what is this? Is this even the right hair they sent me? It doesn't say 100% virgin hair. It didn't say anything on it. So fast forward now to me making the wig. So I co-washed the hair and I'm making the wig, and the hair feels nice when it's wet. It looks nice, but right now this is in its natural state. So this side here, there's absolutely no product in the hair. And this side here is, I put a bit of like a curl wave cream. Now, I'm not familiar with body wave texture, and I don't know if this is the normal texture that it comes in. After I washed the hair, it didn't really have much of a smell. When I was washing the hair, I found this quite strange. There was like a brownish tinge to the water after the hair was draining. Usually it's not supposed to show any kind of coloring. So that was a red flag for me then. The wig is pretty much made, and I'm noticing as it's drying, it's looking very frizzy. Like extremely frizzy. The curls don't look as nice, and I don't know, it just felt like there was something different about it. It was just rubbing me the wrong way. I tried to not think about it too much. I thought, you know, I haven't even installed the wig. Let me just wait until it's actually completed, and then we'll go from there. Sorry guys, my camera died. I wanted to wrap up this video the right way and just give you my conclusion of this AliExpress Ali Queen Brazilian body wave raw hair. I don't recommend it. I recommend you to buy something else. I'm not saying that you shouldn't ever purchase from Ali Queen, but I'm letting you know that I don't know if I will be purchasing hair from Ali Queen ever again based on this experience. Hey Winston. So yeah, I don't know if I would recommend this hair based on my experience. So hopefully you guys had a better experience. Let me know below what your thoughts on the hair is, and I'll definitely keep you guys updated on the hair because I feel like it is a Remy hair. And hey buddy, I do feel like it's Remy hair, and I know that Remy hair goes downhill quickly. So if this is what it looks like almost 2 weeks in, what is it going to look like a month from now? What is it going to look like 2 months from now? These are all things that we all wonder, you know? So I'll keep in touch with you guys until next time. Bye from me. Bye from Winston.